Hello there everybody and welcome back. I'm Daniel Valvo, and the fact that I've started with the volume means that it's time to start talking about volume. I said messing, I swear. I didn't swear. I did not say a swear word, I said messing. Who's editing this? Why is this happening? So back in the 2D world, when we wanted to ask how big a shape was, we used this idea called area. Area is the amount of unit squares, or 1 by 1 squares, that can fit in a shape. And we can use that to compare the sizes of various shapes, no matter how different they look. For example, what's bigger, this rectangle or this circle? Note the rectangle is longer, but the circle seems bigger overall. And when we compare their areas, we see we're right. The circle has more area. You can think of area as the amount of material a shape takes to make.